In front of me is OPPO Pad Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then click on Permissions on the right next to Privacy and select Permission Manager. Finally, it's time to pick one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like microphone. Then click on one of your apps under one of those categories: allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. In my case, Firefox from not allowed one. Then click on one of those options to apply the best one for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up this one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Firefox just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using this browser. If you want to, you can also select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage instead. So for example, I will go into Location to manage my Chrome. Then ignore all of those options and scroll all the way down right away. When you're ready, select See All Chrome Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!